Hey guys. Hey, it's been a while. Haven't been on this channel for a long time because we created another channel because I lost my account. But it is what it is. And the other account is called It's All Fun and Games. That's it. That's the channel. It's All Fun and Games. This is what we've been working on, which is our gaming PC upgrade. And I don't have the motherboard installed yet, but here is, I've been covering it because I don't want dust getting in there. Ryzen 7 5800 XT. This was our new upgrade, which was the Vengeance 2x16 gigabyte, 32 total, 3200 MHZ. That's just a random graphics card. The good graphics card is that guy right there. And that's not obviously installed until that. I have to get the paste to put this cooler on, which I'm just waiting on some paste. Gonna install that, and then I have to get the SSD, the M.2, probably gonna get 1 terabyte. And so here's the look of that. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And then, yeah, everything's kind of, we're just putting it all together little by little. That's the motherboard. And then these are glass panels. One goes on the face across over that. The big one here goes on the side. And then there's a back, it's right here actually, a back panel to hide all your wires. And so, yeah, so that's where we're kind of at. And yes, that's my power source, and it's probably small. I know I should have got the 750 or 850 just so I had upgradability, but it is what it is. And this was a knockoff graphics card. Spent like 60 bucks on it, and we're going to use it to upgrade other PCs that I've got. If you can see straight ahead, there's 2 down there on the left of the TV. And then that's pretty much where we're at. We're working on it. Here we go. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, guys. Check out our other channel. See ya.